Alright, so we're shutting off the angle stops. We're going to be changing the kitchen sink faucet here. Taking out this old Moen. The model home is switched over to Kohler, which we're going to be putting in a Sterling valve. So, here we go. Pulling the sprayer hose and weight off. Getting that out of the way. Those supply lines disconnected, drained down. I like to keep a bucket in the cabinet with me, that way I can just scooch them on over, turn the valve on, release the pressure that's locked up at the top of the valve. That way I'm not getting too wet. Alright, here we are. I gotta remove that little collar first. And then this plumber used a piece of 1/2-inch PVC as a spacer. That way he didn't have to turn the nut up, I guess, is so high. Which is fine. Everyone has their way. Normally I'd use a Moen wrench, but don't have it on the truck today. So a small pair of channel locks does the trick. Or you can use a basin wrench. Whatever you can get your hand on, really. Here we are. Slow-mo-ish, yanking out the valve. Now we're putting in the new Sterling valve. Doing this one in chrome. Alright, so now we're going to be hooking this one up underneath. Get that sprayer hose all lined up. We already tightened up the bracket and everything. Hook the supply lines up. That way we can give it a test. You can use anything, crescent wrench to tighten these up. It's 5/8. You can use a wrench, crescent wrench. I use a one-stop wrench or my angle stop installing tool. One stop can do it, but it does its own. Turn the water on. No leaky. Here we are, getting a view of it all running. Looks pretty. Get a 360 view of this thing. That's it, folks. Call it a day.